Hello everyone, this is Tom from Mystical Arts. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make letterbox or so-called black bars effect in Premiere Pro. It is a quick and easy way to make your footage look much more cinematic and professional. So let's get right into it. As you can see on my timeline, I have a few just basic stock footage I found on pexels.com. Now what you want to do is go into your project tab, either click this icon right here or just right click in the empty area, go into new item and make an adjustment layer. Here, this window is going to pop up. It's basically just the sequence settings you have, so all you have to do is just press OK. Now drag your adjustment layer above your clips on your timeline, and it's not long enough, so just stretch it however long your clips go, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 10, 20 seconds, I don't know. And the reason we're making an adjustment layer is because you don't want to apply this effect directly to the clips. Because if you are going to apply this directly to the clips, you're going to have to repeat the same process over and over again for every single clip you have. Some longer videos can have hundreds of clips, and trust me, you do not want to apply the same thing 100 times. It's going to be a complete waste of time. So now, with our adjustment layer on our timeline, go into the effects, type crop, video effects, transform crop, drag crop and drop it above onto your adjustment layer. With it selected, go into effect controls. Scroll down until you can see the crop effect right here. You have the options left, top, right and bottom. Now all you have to do is just change top and bottom to 12%. And boom, just like that we already have our beautiful letterbox black bars effect on our footage. And it's looking so much more cinematic right now, right? Of course it doesn't have to be 12%. You can play with the settings however you please. You can make it 5, 10, 20, 50, or however much you want. I personally would keep it only between 12 and 20%. Is gonna make it look like the most professional way. Of course you can adjust however you want. I'm gonna change it to 20 just to show you how it's gonna look at 20%. And yeah, this is literally all you have to do. You can stretch this adjustment layer however long your clips go. And yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like and a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this in the future. Check out our social media in the description below, and I hope you have a wonderful day.